It is snowing outside in Kentucky today, so we are making a warm pot of potato soup. Potato soup is so easy. There's really no way to mess it up, so don't overcomplicate it. Do these following things. In a large pot, fry some bacon, and once that's crispy, go ahead and take it out. Leave the bacon grease in the pan, and then take one whole diced onion and one heaping scoop of diced garlic. I use the jarred garlic for this. You'll cook that down until the onion becomes soft, 3 to 5 minutes. And then I place about a quarter cup to a third cup of flour, just all-purpose flour will work, and let that thicken up inside that onion mixture. Once that's thick, I do 4 cups of chicken stock, 2 cups of milk, and about 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, all in the pan. I use salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic salt to taste, and then about 2.5 pounds or a half of 5-pound bag of potatoes diced up, and I put that in there and bring it to a boil until the potatoes are fork tender. Place half the soup into a blender or food processor and mix up, and then put that back in, and then top with cheese, bacon, and green onions. Try that out and let me know what you think.